everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to fix lag issues in Racing Kingdom on your smartphone. Whether you are using your Android or iOS, these tips will smooth out your ride and boost your performance. So let's get into it. First of all, open up your Racing Kingdom app on your device. Also make sure that your internet connection is stable. Lag is often caused by a weak or unstable internet connection, so make sure you are connected to a fast and reliable Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data if your Wi-Fi is acting up. Now, after you've made sure of that, the next thing you want to do is to close any background applications. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then close off any other background running apps. Once you do that, you might be able to fix the issue. Now the next step is to adjust in-game graphic settings. From the home page of Racing Kingdom, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. In the settings menu, make sure that you're inside graphics. Now from the options at the top, select a lower graphic quality such as low or minimum. After you do that, your game graphic might not look as pretty, but it will run way smoother. Once you get back to the home page, your game will first restart in a low graphic, but you will be able to run your game smoother than before. Also make sure that your device's operating system is updated to the latest version. Open up the Settings app from your Android or iOS, and inside Settings, look for General and tap on it. Now, click on Software Update. Inside the Software Update button, if you have an update to be installed on your device, it will be displayed on the screen. If not, you are running on the latest version of your operating system. If there is an update available, update your device right away, and once you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. Also make sure that your Racing Kingdom application is updated to the latest version. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar, type in Racing Kingdom. In the search result, open up Racing Kingdom app and check if there is an update available for the game. If there is one, tap on Update to get the latest release of the game. And with this, you might be able to fix Racing Kingdom lagging issue on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.